Real business owners, let's say your personal credit is shot. Let's say you build business credit. Let's say you've got rated files with Dun & Bradstreet. You've got an IntelliScore through the roof. You've got 15 trade lines on all the different business credit bureaus. You're not doing the janky vendor little Paydex build stuff. Now, let's say you've got a Visa, MasterCard in your company's name. What's next? You've got a 500 personal credit score. You've got judgments, and you're not sure what to do. Well, listen, business credit's bigger than personal credit, okay? So if you think about a large landscaping firm, construction company, whatever it might be, right? They've got 15 delivery vans. That's all under business credit. The CEO, if he's fired, right, his social security number is not on those assets. So if you have a business, you've got to figure out ways to leverage business credit and be intelligent about it, right? In this room here, there's $150,000 worth of camera equipment. None of these things that I use my personal credit or my personal guarantee. And you can get an unlimited amount of computers. You can get delivery vehicles. You can get the things that your company might need, right? Import, export. Leverage business credit in ways that you did not know was even possible. Getting equipment, getting leasing, everything except for potentially getting business loans. You're gonna need a personal guarantor. That's just a fact, no matter what anyone says. I've been at this for 23 years. If you wanna get an SBA loan, you need the SBSS score. Watch the other video about that. You can have low personal scores, get picked up by fintechs, get picked up by a lot of different lending products, right? Stay away from at all cost MCA loans. Those are the bank statement loans where they're daily withdrawals. You stay away from those at all cost. But business credit is bigger than you think. I tell this to a lot of people, when you're driving on the freeway today, look at that delivery van, look at that plumbing company, look at that dental office. Hundreds and hundreds of thousands of things are procured every single day using business credit scores. Leverage it correctly, build your business, get the equipment you need. You know, what I love is, let's say you have someone who's making a knife and they want a $50,000 water jet, whatever the different pieces of equipment are. Good, competent individuals that are in an industry, they can take equipment and they can use that to print money. So let's get you approved for hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of things that your company needs to do a better job for your client, better lawnmowers, better cranes, better delivery trucks, or whatever that might be. Business credit is real, and it doesn't matter what your personal credit situation is, okay? Building business credit is going to be the way that you're going to move that company forward and get into the big game.